Bago ni-launch ni Kim Kardashian yung shapewear niya na Skims, she was really struggling with a shapewear na mag-match sa skin tone niya at sa body niya. Sinabi niya before na she used to dye yung mga shapewear niya sa tub niya before wearing it kasi talaga hindi siya makahanap ng tama at akmang shapewear para sa kanya. So, dinadye niya yon, pinapalitan niya yung color, pinapalitan niya yung shape para lang makasunod sa kung ano yung gusto niya at mag-fit sa body type niya. Before, Skims was named kimono, but it was, there was criticism kasi parang cultural appropriation daw yon kasi lalo na sa mga Japanese community. Kaya before launching, Kim Kardashian quickly changed the kimono to Skims. And of course, the rest is history. Body positivity, comfort, at inclusivity, yan yung tatlong importanteng bagay na ina-advocate ng shapewear na to. So, of course, inclusivity kasi talaga very inclusive to, yung mga sizes from extra small to double XL. Ito talaga yung ino-offer nila. And then, comfort, very comfortable yung shapewear na to. Ano mang hugis mo, ano mang shape mo, pwede ka sa Skims. And of course, body positivity, you have to embrace yourself and you have to love yourself. Again, Skims offer 2XS, so double X, extra small. So twice the extra small yung ino-offer nila up to 5 double XL. So very inclusive, right? And even the tones, kung makikita mo yung mga tones, yung mga colors na meron sila, very wide-ranging. Pero napansin ko lang talagang very minimalistic si Kim Kardashian. So, they are more into nudes. Which, of course, nakaka-resonate naman sa lahat ng mga tao. Currently, Skims are valued at $2 billion. Reportedly, during launching, the Skims shapewear sold out 2 million within minutes lang. So, makikita mo doon na may strong consumer demand talaga ang Skims shapewear. Na-recognize din ang brand na Skims as one of the most influential top 100 most influential brand of the year sa 100 times of the New York Times. And of course, Skims remain as a creative director and the face of Skims. Though kung mapapansin mo, ang Skims, marami silang endorsers and ambassadors. By the way, yung sunscreen ko is from Bello. Kung makikita mo, this is the tinted sunscreen, SPF 50 PA+++. Wala siyang white cast at mabilis mag-blend sa skin ko. Ayan. So, makita mo, mabilis lang siya mag-blend. And again, this is a tinted sunscreen. So, hindi na ako mag-BB cream or